The Dugard Lunan 800A vertical machining centre is an exciting addition to our immensely popular Dugard Lunan range. Like the 500A, it's a low-cost basic VMC equipped with most of the requirements of a full production model. The perfect starter machine, the 800A doesn't disappoint, increasing the capacity of the Dugard Lunan range but maintaining the excellent ultra-low price promise. The 800A starts at just £29,500. It has an X-axis traverse of 800mm, Y-axis traverse of 500mm and Z-axis traverse of 580mm. The table size is 1050 by 500mm. The maximum recommended table load is 450 kilograms and the spindle nose to table measurement is 110 to 660 millimeters. Maximum spindle speed is 8,000 RPM driven by a 7.5 to 11 kilowatt motor with a standard BT40 taper. Feed rates in all axes are 1 to 4,000 millimeters a minute. Rapids in X and Y are 20 meters a minute and rapids in Z are 18 meters a minute. The 800A has a 20-station drum-type ATC with a tool size of 80 by 130 millimeters. The 800A has GSK, Fanuc and Siemens control options. Other options are kept to a minimum to keep our cost to you as low as possible. These are 24-station twin-arm tool changer, a choice of 4th axes, choice of mechanical indexers, Renishaw spindle probe and Renishaw tool setting probe. It's a compact machine with a footprint of 3,500 by 2,500 by 2,400 millimeters, weighing 5,700 kilograms. Like the rest of the Dugard Lunan range, the 800A is ideal for small part machining, training and education and of course less complex jobs. For more information on the Dugard 800A VMC, please go to our website www.dugard.com.